Bitcoin could be in great danger of experiencing a much bigger pullback. However, there are some key levels that could save the price of Bitcoin, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. So make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, turn the bell notification on so you never miss another upload, and make sure that you watch this video up until the end because I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So as you may know from my previous video, I am currently short on the price of Bitcoin, and it has been an extremely profitable trade for us here at BitTrading because we did short this all-time high right here. So if we head over to the Visionary Discord, as you can see, could be a nice scalp short. Here was the setup that I gave the team on the Visionary Discord, the short from the all-time high, and it has been an extremely profitable trade for myself and the team here at BitTrading because we have seen a huge correction towards the downside. As you can see here, updating the team as the trade is going on, shorts aren't being absorbed, so we could see the price pull back further. That's what I was expecting, and then as time went on, literally an hour later, and there we go. We saw that price starting to pull back exactly like I anticipated it to. And if we scroll down, we can see that we did in fact hit my final target of the NPOC because in the previous video, I was telling you that we do have a strong level of support at $68,628, which as you can see, we did get a really nice rise off of this level, okay, a very nice rise. So you can see this was a very strong level of support. However, I was telling you that if we were to lose this level, then I would be looking for that NPOC as that next target. And as you can very clearly see here, we lost $68,628, and then that NPOC was tapped. So I told my team, and there we go, target acquired. As you can see, over 460% in a profit. Here was the trade that I entered into. So entry price was $73,309. And as I updated the team at this moment in time, the price was at $67,349, and price actually continued to dump. As you can see here, updating the team, no longs yet, remaining short for the time being. As you can see, over 585% in a profit. So this has been an extremely profitable trade for myself and the team here at BitTrading. But okay, I am currently long on the price of Bitcoin. Now I said to the team here, no longs yet. I was remaining patient and waiting for the confirmation, the confluence, the reaction that I wanted to see to give me that confidence to enter into a long position. And as you can see here, I was telling the team, reclaiming the NPOC could offer us a long. So if we zoom in a little bit, let's go on to the 15-minute time frame. As we can see, as price was pulling back into the NPOC, we started to use it as some nice support. However, we had a third test of the NPOC, and on that third test, we actually did break the NPOC. And what happened after we broke the NPOC? Well, we found perfect support at the VWAP. As you can see here, we had a retracement and a reclaim of the NPOC. So as you can see here, we reclaimed that NPOC, giving us that long entry because I told the team on the Visionary Discord, reclaiming the NPOC would offer us a nice long. So as you can see, we broke the NPOC. We are now retesting the NPOC. And then as you can see, as time has gone on, we've actually reclaimed that NPOC level, giving us that long entry. So what did we have down here? We had the support of the VWAP. We had the NPOC that we could reclaim if we reclaim it, giving us a sign of strength. Okay, and then of course we had the failed auction of this low right here. So we had three indications telling us that price was actually looking very bullish, and there was a lot of strength down here. We had, again, the VWAP, strong support. We had the failed auction of this previous low right here. We formed the failed auction, and whilst forming the failed auction, we actually reclaimed the NPOC, giving us that confidence to enter into that long position and target higher prices. And that's exactly what happened. So you can see here, we entered into that long position because we reclaimed the NPOC right there. Okay, and as you can see, after we entered, we saw a pretty nice move towards the upside. And as time went on, we did see a continuation towards the upside. And I went on to tell the team, target acquired. There we go. I was looking for these previous highs here, and I was looking for the VWAP as well as that next TP. As you can see, this long position yielded us over 152% in a profit. As you can see here, entry price was $67,200. So this was another extremely profitable trade for myself and the team here at Bit Trading. If you want access to this Visionary Discord, then click the first link in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you over to this page here where you can gain access to the Visionary Discord and of course the education that we have for you there as well. However, we are running a 1-day free trial. Now this won't be going on for much longer, so make sure you take full advantage of this Visionary free trial. Get access. You don't have to put any details in, just get access to the Visionary Discord and scroll through all of the Discord and just say hello and take a look at how many profitable trades we are giving away. So make sure you get you take advantage of that. But now what I want to talk about, okay, because I'm a bit worried that this is, you know, getting on a little bit, the video is going to be a little bit too long, but I want to talk about what we could expect next, okay? Because I'm sure that you are all very uncertain on where price is going to go now, and as you should be, okay? Because we are not at any, you know, key levels as of right now. We are in sort of that indecisive stage of this move towards the downside, because we're not at any major support, but we're not at any major resistance, which could continue this pullback. Okay, so what I want to talk about is what happens if we lose certain levels, or what happens if we can continue to hold certain levels, and what we can look for a possible long entry. Because remember, we are already short on the price of Bitcoin, so if we do continue to see the price pull back, we are going to continue to hold this short position open. But let's talk about that now. Now I want to talk about the VWAP, okay? The VWAP we've already tested as support, and this was a trigger to enter into a long position, one of the triggers that gave us that indication to enter into the long position. Now, we have respected this, and there is a possibility that we could continue to respect this VWAP. And if we can continue to respect the VWAP, because it is major support, then we can, of course, target 70k, maybe all the way back at new all-time highs if we can continue to hold this VWAP. However, Bitcoin can be in great danger if we do lose this VWAP, okay? If we lose the VWAP, okay, and we retest it and we get a second, or we get a rejection off of the retest, this is a very, very strong sign of weakness. Now, if we go back to the previous time we broke the VWAP, as you can see here, what happened? We broke the VWAP, and then we reclaimed it, tested it as support, and then got another rise towards the upside. So we formed a failed auction of the VWAP, as we can see right there. Now this is of course a possibility, and this could give us a nice, strong and confident long entry, okay? Because remember, we have a nice, strong level of support coming in at this low here at $65,579, and that is coming in very close confluence with the VWAP. So what we could be looking for at this level is a long entry. This could be a possible long entry from this level. Now, what would I like to see? Well, I would like to see the price pull back to the VWAP and this previous low at $65,579, where we could then SFP the level, reclaim the VWAP, okay, and giving us that long entry, we could then target much higher prices, and I would actually be targeting this high at $70,682 approximately, okay? This is something that I am looking for if we are to look bullish and we get that bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, bullish reaction down here at $65,579. This is the bullish case scenario. If we can come down, we can take out the liquidity from down here, reclaim that VWAP, then I am more than happy to enter into a long position, because this is a very, very strong confluence long position. Then I will be targeting higher prices, i.e. back above $70,000. Okay, so this is the bullish case scenario. However, there is a bearish case scenario. Like I said, if we are to lose the VWAP get a retest of the VWAP and a rejection, then this is a very, very strong sign of weakness, and we could target lower prices. And the lower price targets that I would be targeting, if we come and have a look at XO, let's go over. So we do have a naked point of control, an MPOC at 54,375. So that could be the next level towards the downside if we do break that VWAP. There is one more level of support that we could hold, which is at 59,088. Sorry, 59,088. So if we lose the VWAP, okay, we have continued bearish market structure, then we could see $59,088. Now from there, of course, we could be looking for the exact same setup we're looking for here, okay, up here. We want to look for a long position there, which, you know, down here, if we lose the VWAP, we get a retest, we get a rejection, we target $59,088, where from there, we could be targeting a nice long position. We have to see what the confirmation, the confluence, and the reaction is down there, but that could be a possible long. Now, if we lose that, then we are looking for that MPOC down at $54,375. Okay, so there is the bearish case scenario. We've gone through the bullish case scenario, which is SFPing the previous low at 65,579 and reclaiming the VWAP, okay, giving us that long entry here. That is the bullish case scenario where I would be targeting $70,000 and possibly new all-time highs if we can get above $70,000. Then, of course, we have the bearish case scenario is if we lose the VWAP, retest it, rejection, then I'm targeting that lower price target down at $59,088. That would be that next target. Now, we could also talk about the GP. So if we pull the fib, as we can see here, the area between the 0.618 and 0.65, this is of course the GP, the golden pocket, and we could see price actually find some strong support at this level. For me right now, there isn't major confluence here. Now, of course, we could SFP the previous low and actually come down and test the 0.618 level, then SFP, reclaim of the VWAP, and then enter that long. That could be something that we're looking for. But if we lose the VWAP and we retest it as resistance and we get that pullback further, for me, there isn't enough confluence as of right now at the golden pocket for me to enter into a long here. So I would right now be targeting lower prices from there if we were to lose the VWAP. Okay, remember, I'm not bearish yet. Of course I'm bearish because I'm shorting right now, but I'm not extremely bearish until we lose that VWAP, retest it, and then we get a continuation towards the downside. So that, of course, is what I'm looking for as of right now. And those are the levels that I'm looking to long from, okay? These levels down here, 65,579 and that VWAP are the levels that I'm looking to enter into a long. Now, of course, we could just see a rise towards the upside here. And of course, we're going to be taking full advantage of that. Why is that? Well, because we are currently in an extremely profitable long position. Okay, we have taken a lot of profit off the table out of this long position already, but we do still have a little bit left in the trade, just in case we do get that rise towards the upside, possibly to all-time highs. So right now, I am currently shorting, I am currently longing, I am prepared to make profits off of whichever way price goes. If price continues to move down, we see the VWAP being lost, retest, rejected, then I'm going to be taking advantage of that pullback because I am in a short. But if we come down, we SFP, reclaim the VWAP, then of course I am looking for a new long entry there. So that is my bias on the market right now. As of right now, just waiting for my key levels to be tapped. We've made some really profitable trades here at Bit Trading. Like I said, if you want access to the Visionary Discord, first link in the description or the pinned comment, it will take you over to this page here where you can gain access to the Visionary Discord and the education we have there for you. But of course, we have the free trial that we are running currently, 1 day free trial. So make sure you take advantage of that. But that's all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you got all the way to the end of the video, thank you for watching, thank you for showing your support, and I'm looking forward to seeing you over on the Visionary Discord. So see you later, guys. That's me signing off, and goodbye.